Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and organizing just got easier with this quick sort 10-piece set from Amazing Abby. My favorite thing is that it can take a drawer from looking like this to looking like this. This beautiful set has the illusion of looking like glass, but it's this amazing, durable plastic. This clear, beautiful, simple, modern look makes it easy to put in any room in our house. I love that I could use some of these for my husband and some of them for our bathroom drawer, while others I was able to use in another room. I love that you can stack these, and when you do stack them, they don't tip over easily. They don't slide off. They really lock into place. Something that's really great is because they are all different sizes and they mix and match so well, you can really customize it very easily. So if you're looking for a fun and amazing, easy way to get organized, then you're going to love this 10-piece set from Amazing Abby. And that's my point of view.